Oh my god, that was so good.
And we're gonna go in for a big old bite here. Okay, I felt like I was gonna choke there, I'm not gonna lie. Like, pasta should make me growing up.
They gave me a lot of lettuce. Look at all of this lettuce. They gave me so much lettuce. We like lettuce. Let us be happy. Mmm. Mmm. We love cheese.
But you did this for what?
We love cheese. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. How about you? Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna go ham like never before. I'm telling you this right now. If you do not like heavy breathing, smacking, moaning, just getting wild for food, if you don't like if you don't like people wild for food, then what are you doing with your life? And get the hell out of here. Fatter. All right. Delicious for this food. Mmm. Mmm. So damn good. Mmm.
Cheesy corn dog with
the
cheese.
cheese.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh,
my
no,
god.
How does it just taste like regular cheese?
Holy moly.
Alright, I'm gonna go in for a wing.
Good.
So the wings are from Wingstop. We also have looks so fantastic.
Guys, look at this.
Yeah.
Good?
Let me put this part a little darker real quick.
Okay, mustard first, because that's how I usually like my corn dogs. Oh, I love them. I haven't had corn dogs in a long time. I never had them with nacho cheese, but why not?
Who's me?
Okay, okay.
Cheese done. We love cheese. That cheese pull. Ooh. Yes, come through, cheese. We love cheese. Dun. We love cheese. Dun. We love cheese. Dun. Yes, we do. Oh my god. No,
Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh. What?
Let's have my first bite. I'm so excited. So where's my spoon? Cheers to a wonderful eating show.
Cheese, pickles, sauce, 2 chicken patties. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Beady, bite. Oh man, I'm gonna have to dislocate my jaw more than it already is.
What are you talking about?
Okay, let's try this sandwich. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Guys, take this in. Like, what the heck?
I'm scared.
It's nice and soft. Perfect amount of softness.
I like the bigger size because you can taste the rice cake.
Yeah. It has like a nice bite to it too.
Those mini dumplings.
Mini dumpling.
Why?
Leave them in the fridge, it works.